guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would do a charity shop haul. Now I've collected a fair amount and this has been collected over sort of December, January time. I thought I would, you know, put it all to one side until I've got enough to make a video on it, because I very rarely go into a charity shop and get enough to make a video on it. I can do that, but I think it's a lot better for me if I just go in regularly and pick up one item at a time when I know they're really nice items that I'll wear. So I've been sort of like hoarding it in one spot so I can make this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. But this is all from a variety of charity shops. My favourite one is a pound charity shop, which is just amazing to me. And this pound charity shop, their stuff in there goes to their full price charity shop and then it ends up at the pound charity shop if it doesn't sell. But shoes, bags, everything is all £1. So I'll start with these wonderful shoes. So these are a whopping £1 and they're just these gorgeous sort of pin-up heels, I would say. Barely ever worn, like they pretty much look brand new. I always look at the heels on shoes because that's how I sort of decide if they're worth getting, because reheeling a pair of shoes I think costs £9 or £12 in between there. They were very specific numbers, I just realised, but there's not much point in reheating them when I can pick up a nice pair for, you know, a couple quid from a charity shop. So I kind of do that instead of rehealing. But I just saw these and I thought they're just so cool. And I know they're a little bit wacky with the leopard print and the red, but I thought they'd look so nice with like a nice red dress if it's the right style. So I actually have kind of like a pin-up red dress and I thought, yes, these would look awesome with that. So that's the first pair of shoes. And then the next pair of shoes, a similar style, they've got all the strappiness, but these are an M&S pair, again brand new, even got their tag still on, that my mum actually found for me. I think these ones weren't from our favourite pound shop, but I think they were something like $3.99 or $4.99, but they're just a lovely little shoe. They're kind of like the gladiator sandal type shoe, which looks lovely in the summer, but no, I really like the studs on them as well. I think they're really funky. So love these, because that's the other thing, kind of me and my mum do charity shopping as kind of like a hobby together. We just get so much buzz out of it and we really enjoy finding a new outfit at bargain price. It's just like really fun for us, so we love it. Right, now we move on to the clothes. So I'll start with the jumper. So I found this in the pound charity shop and I only got it because it's just so thick and I really wanted kind of like a wintry jumper that didn't look Christmassy. So I wanted it to have kind of like snowflakes on it like this, or you know, just have that sort of pattern all over it, but I can wear it in the colder months, not just in December. And this one, it's a Jack Wills one as well, and it's a really heavy knit. Like this would cost a lot more than £1, I'm sure. But it's kind of like a long jumper and it's just really nice to lounge in. So I've really been enjoying this one. And it kind of looks like it would be itchy, but it's really soft, like really soft. So I've been loving this and I just kind of lounge in it. It's just really sweet. I've decided I'll try everything on after I show it all first because it's kind of in a nice stack next to me. Then the next thing I got was from the pound charity shop, and they're just these leather shorts which are originally from Forever 21. I just really liked the darting on it. They've got lots of darts down them. They are a little on the short side, but with a nice pair of tights I think they work. But I just thought I loved the sort of dark green. It's like that forest green, and I used to wear a mini skirt in this colour. And the mini skirt got a bit too mini for me and I actually nearly broke it. Like I ripped it, but we managed to fix it and I gave it to one of my cousins. So it didn't go to waste, but I just thought shorts, that's a much better option for me because I don't have to worry about things getting too mini when you're a little bit on the curvy side. But that being said, I did also buy a mini skirt. So this one was from a different charity shop. I got this from... What one was this one from? It was a bit more expensive, this one. I paid $6.99 for this skirt, but I fell in love with it. I love the patchwork design. I love that it's kind of suede and leather. I really like that two-tone effect, and it's originally from Abercrombie and Finch. But I just thought that in the winter or autumn with like a nice pair of autumnal tights and, you know, a nice jumper with it, I can just see that looking so cute. I just loved all the colours in it, and I love the paneling. Like, isn't that just so unusual? I fell in love, so I got it. Then let's go on. I got some jeans. Let's start with these ones. So amazingly, I found these in the pound charity shop. They are Topshop Joni jeans, and they're a waist 26, length 30. My normal Topshop size is a waist 26, length 32. So they're a little bit on the shorter side, but for summer I can just like roll them up and it looks like they were meant to be shorter, if that makes sense. But they're really bright blue, like I really like the colour of them. And I just thought, for £1, they're nice fitting jeans. I just couldn't leave them. So no, I'm really chuffed with those. And then, I don't know why, but I was just in an odd mood when I was shopping and I decided to get flares. Now, I've got nothing against flares, I just never wear them. And so since I bought these, I have yet to put them on, and they've got like these cute little pockets at the front. And then obviously they flare out. They were £2, I think, in a different charity shop. I just put them on and they looked surprisingly nice. Like, I love the way they look. I just feel strange wearing them. Like, I'm so used to wearing skinny jeans, I can't bring myself to do it. But they're really cute, a little bit stretchy, which is nice, and I think they're originally from M&S. So they're nice jeans, a lovely colour. I've just got to learn how to wear flares. But I can put them on and you guys can tell me what you think about flares on me. I mean, they're lovely jeans, didn't cost me much. I just haven't like felt the urge to wear them yet, which is kind of sad. I hate it when I buy something and don't wear it. Like, most of the time I like to wear it straight away. It'll be like my outfit for the week. I'll just live in it until I find something else. So the next, oh, it's the last thing I got actually. We're already through everything. There was quite a lot, to be fair. The last thing I got is this dress. So this was from the Pound charity shop again, and it's just a navy blue warehouse dress. I just really like the neckline on it. It's kind of like that crisscross v-neck, which I just think is a really elegant look, especially for curvier ladies. I just think it's really flattering. And then it's kind of like a skater skirt, but not a very full skater skirt. So it's not a tight skirt, but it's kind of a little bit flowy, I think, and it comes with a nice waist belt as well. So I just thought this was a really easy fit, but the thing with the Pound charity shop is I can't actually try anything on, so I have to kind of like just take a risk, get it. Normally I'm lucky, but yeah, it's just one of those things. They don't have a changing room, they just have racks of clothes, and I mean, everything's a pound, it's hardly a high risk purchase, but no, so that's really cool. Right, that is everything. I'm gonna go start throwing it all on for you guys. So I also just wanted to mention that I've got a new lighting setup. I don't know if I look better or worse, but I wanted to try out a ring light. So I bought a 18-inch ring light. Well, I say I bought, I was very kindly gifted it by a company called Newer. Now, Newer, it's not a new company to me. I bought all my first equipment from Newer. So all my lights at the start and my tripods and everything, I bought through them. And it's just really sweet that 3 years down the line, the stuff I initially bought, it's still perfectly fine and doing a good job. And now they're working with me, and I think that's really sweet. But yeah, I'll move my camera so you guys can have a look now. So I just thought I'd move my camera so you can see my new ring light in all its glory. So it's actually pretty massive. And if I just turn it on, there we go. And I can adjust here whether I want like warmer light or cooler light. It's all like adjustable, which is pretty fabulous. So normally I use like these 2 umbrella type of lights, but I thought I would try out a ring light. So yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out, but it was very kindly gifted by Newer to me, and I'm loving it. I've just thrown the jumper on top of my pajamas, but as you can see, it's just kind of a very relaxed fit. It's a little bit oversized for me, but I just really liked the knit of it, and I loved the design at the top, and it was £1. It's just a nice sort of loungy jumper, but a really good quality one, so it keeps me nice and snug. But no, I really like it. It's not like super flattering because it's kind of on the longer side, but I kind of just bunch it up like that and wear it with leggings, and then I think it's really cute. So this is what the dress looks like, and I'm loving the top of it so much. I think the way it falls here with the little pleats and gives that sort of angled neckline is so unusual and really flattering, and then I love a crisscross. I just think it just fits really nice, and I just love the look of it. So love that. I'm saying love way too much. And then I really like the navy blue of it. I just think it's really sweet. And then the dress itself, it's a really lovely length. It comes sort of just above my knees, but it's not too short or too long. And then it's kind of that relaxed fit, which is still flattering, but not too in your face, if that makes sense. It's quite a smart dress. So no, I really love this one. I can't wait to wear this in the summer with like a nice pair of navy heels or like white wedges. I think it'll look really cute. So no, really happy with this one, and £1, it was £1. So this is how the jeans fit, and I mean for £1, they're just such an easy fit. I think they look really sweet, and then they're not too short. I can either fold them up or just leave them as they are, and then they'll just look sweet with like a nice pair of trainers, because I don't think it's a problem having jeans that are a little bit shorter than the actual length of your leg. Like, they don't look bad, I don't think, but I just loved how blue they were, and they're just a really easy fit. I just couldn't leave them for £1 because I knew they would fit, so yeah, chuffed with these, and they're so stretchy. No, definitely love these. I feel like I've come in straight from either the set of Mamma Mia or the 80s. Like, how funky are these? To be fair, I put them on and I love them. Like, I think they fit really nice. The pockets are kind of unusual at the front. They're quite a flattering fit, like they hug everywhere nice. And then it's just the flare. I don't know, let me know what you think of flared jeans, but I mean, they're kind of funky. They're a little bit long for me. I'd need heels with them, I think, to get away with them, but I can't tell if they make me look kind of more hippie than normal jeans do, but I don't know, I like them. The more I put them on, the more I'm like, no, I'll keep these, but then I never wear them. I've only had them like a month, so I think I can give it a bit more time, but let me know what you think about flares. Maybe I just need to style them, because I don't know if they go with this top. Like, they kind of look a bit too extra to wear just a little t-shirt with. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. These are kind of in the maybe pile, but I mean, these ones were £2, so it's fine. But they fit lovely, and they're high-waisted, and I feel like, I don't know, like high-waisted flares. I don't really own flares full stop, so no, I just need to have a think about these, but they're lovely and stretchy, which is a plus. But this is what the skirt looks like, so it's quite unusual how the panels are, I think. I like how it's all asymmetrical. I've just not seen anything like it, and I just really liked it. And what I loved, what really made me buy it is the fact it's not tight. So you can see here it just hangs kind of off my bum, which means it never rides up. Like, it doesn't matter how much I walk, that will never go above my bum, which is a lifesaver, because that's my issue with mini skirts. They always just kind of want to ride up, and then I'm always doing this when I'm wearing them, pulling them down, and I'm just fed up. So if I can find ones like this, I think it's much better, because they're not, like, they're still flattering, like, they still show off my curves, they just don't literally put my curves on display, which is a good thing. So I'd style this with, as I said, like autumnal tights, and a nice maybe ribbed turtleneck, that type of thing. I just loved the colours in it. I think it's so funky, and I just love the fact it's got like leather panels in it. It's awesome, I love it. And this one was the most expensive thing I've bought over the past few months in a charity shop. It was £6.99, which obviously isn't expensive at all, but in the charity shop world, especially around me, that is quite a lot, but I don't regret it at all. I've been wearing this so much, and you might have even seen on my Instagram there's a picture of me wearing it. I do have like a coat on, but I have been loving it already, so no, I love this one. It's even a little bit loose around my waist, but it kind of sits on my hips, so it's not a problem. Love, love, love. So this is how these shorts fit. They're just a really easy fit. I really like the darting. I think they come to a lovely length. Again, at the back, they're not too short. They probably couldn't go much shorter than they are, but they're perfectly fine this length. It's kind of like a nice length, because I can wear them in the summer, but to be honest, they're probably more of a winter short anyway. I'll probably just wear them with tights, but I have the option. They're not like too short not to wear out. They are a little bit on the big side round my waist, but it's kind of like the mini skirt you just saw. It doesn't matter too much, like they stay on my hips, so it's kind of nice that they're a bit bigger because my legs have a bit more space, if that makes sense. And I don't think the waist looks big, it's only when I pull it out you can actually see, but I'm used to that. I have a bucket back problem in a lot of clothes, so if they're not stretchy, it tends to do that. But no, I think they're really cute, and for £1, I think they're a really stylish pair of shorts, so I really like these. It's a great alternative to my leather mini skirt, which I loved in this colour, but I just could never wear it, so these are definitely a better option for me, so no, I love these. That's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of the finds I found over December and January. I think I did alright. There was quite a few items actually. It's not been too bad, but it's really sweet. I always go charity shopping with my mum usually, and it's funny, we take it in turns to try things on, so if her outfit's easier to like get changed back into. She'll try on my items because we're the same size, or vice versa if I'm wearing an easier outfit, so it works really well. But yeah, that's today's video. I'll link on my social media down below so you can check that out. I do have another channel which I always go on about, but it's all about fossils and rocks, so if you'd like to check that side of my life out, please do so. But if not, hopefully you'll subscribe for more, and yeah, I'm excited for what 2020 is gonna bring.